If you're tired of spending time scrubbing produce at the sink, this Puriproduce fruit and vegetable washing machine could seriously simplify your kitchen routine. Designed to take the guesswork out of cleaning fruits and veggies, it offers a hands-free approach that lets you set it up, walk away, and come back to cleaner produce without all the mess and fuss. What makes this machine stand out is its simplicity and speed. Just add water and salt, place your fruits or vegetables inside, and let the device work its magic while you focus on the rest of your meal prep. No more standing at the sink rinsing over and over. This system handles the heavy lifting so you don't have to. The compact design fits comfortably into most kitchens and is easy to store, making it practical for everyday use whether you're cleaning lettuce, apples, carrots, or more. Its long-lasting battery means it's ready whenever you need it, and the straightforward set-and-go process makes it a great fit for busy families, health-focused individuals, or anyone who hates produce prep. Instead of just hoping your quick rinse gets the job done, this machine gives you a dedicated cleaning cycle that replaces scrubbing with efficiency. It's all about making your kitchen life easier while helping keep your food cleaner and prep faster. If you want a smarter, faster way to wash your fruits and vegetables with less effort and more confidence in cleanliness, this is a worthy addition to your countertop. Click the link below for the best price.